You want to create shorts video for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube? This video will save you hours of editing. I will show you how to edit your video automatically using StepMagic AI, and trust me, this tool will change your content forever. Link to try StepMagic in the description. Let's get started. First, head over to StepMagic and sign in. Click Upload Video. Drag your clip and let StepMagic analyze it. This is work with talking video tutorials, product reviews, screen recording, and even longer video. Once it uploads, you're ready to transform it. The first thing I always enable is auto captions. StepMagic instantly adds perfect silent subtitles, animated text, emojis, colored highlights. This will make your video pop and boost watch time. You can customize the captions to match your brand in one click. Next, StepMagic remove all the awkward pauses automatically. No timeline cutting, no manual cutting. Then turn on auto zooms and added dynamic punch that's make your video like professional, even if you film it on your phone. These two features alone use double my review attention. If your audio sounds messy, click AI voice enhancement. It's remove noise, clear your voice, and balance your volume. This make your video like you're recording with studio mic, even if you don't. So you can also add background music, sound effect, or your own video. StepMagic adjusts the volume automatically so your voice stay clear. Once your edit is done, click export. Choose the platform, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and download. Your video is ready to post. High quality, perfect captions, and full optimized. If you want to try StepMagic for yourself, the link in the description. It's give you an instant access to all AI video editing tools I use in this video. This tool has completely sped my workflow.